to Noel Canary vlog. Today this is our island for my Tita Nuna's birthday. So there's lots of sand, shells. There's even a pool. Look around. There is the dagat and there's that mountain. I went there for boating. This is my new vlog. Since I didn't do any vlogs for a long time, well, it's going to be a next vlog on 19, October 29. So, welcome. I will show you the upstairs first. Come on, Dad. Here's what it's here. And there's a fan, there's a bed, lights up ahead. Is it flying? And this is the balcony area. And there's a fisher boat. And this is a table. And this soft chair you can stay at. And I'll show you now the bathroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So here's the bathroom and here's the shower room. Here I'm going to show you this new island you could come, but you have to cross by the San Juanico Bridge. So here's the island. There's so many shells here. And let's go. I'm going to show you the pool. There were box jellyfish. You have to see them. Daddy, I saw a box jellyfish. They're really clear and their top is white. So, I'm going to show you the box jellyfish. You will always, this is going to shock your mind. Okay, here it goes. We're going to show you the dagat first. This is how you get to the dagat. And I will show you the box. I'm going to show you the box jellyfish. Aliman, Daddy. So here's the box jellyfish. Atuman. See that? It's a box jellyfish. Their sting is really big and itchy and stingy. Well, this is the dagat and someone wrote here, I love you. What? Oh, okay. So, I'm going to show you the pool now. Bye-bye, box jellyfish. I will miss you, you cuties. Here's the pool. Ah, I'm going to show you. I have to wear my pajamas. This is such a shame. Okay. Oh. Here's the pool. There is the kiddie pool, the big pool, and there's a tiny pool over there for babies. There's ladders. There are ladders. Oh, I didn't know there was a straight pool. Oh, there's a stay on right. Doop, doop. Well, follow me. Ooh. I'm going to show you now the bridge. Get back. Okay. And I don't see any koi fish, but that's okay. Okay, time to get there. You could also get a boat from there. I really like that rainbow one, but I didn't find them ways. Wait, I forgot to show you this. This is a snowman holding a gift. And here's this thing. Last night I saw a turtle here, and there's a boat, there's a tiny house. Oh, they're fishies! Daddy, they're fishies. So also fish live here. They are gone. Oh, Adiman! They're here. They're here too. There's different, what? That's a koi fish? That's koi fish? Is that a koi fish? Guys, leave it in the comment. Rudolph doesn't have a nose anymore. Rudolph had nose reindeer. And are very shiny. Oh, there's my sister Shimmer! Shimmer! Remember my little sister? Oh, let's go.